Assalamu alaikum viewers. As you can see on the dashboard of my channel, here you can see that revenue is currently $3.75. As I have told you that my channel got monetized on the 6th of May 2021. So today I got a message uh, right here that some information is required at AdSense account for payment. So when I clicked on that message, then this link opened related to Google AdSense, and here are some actions required. As you can see in here notifications that your payments are currently on hold, action is required to release payment. So I am here on the Google AdSense, and at this time my earnings which are showing are 9.18 and threshold is $100. It means I can draw the payment when I will reach this threshold. So here is another message: your payments are currently on hold, action is required to release payments. Then there are issues with your payments account. Which is written on the red. So here you can see that it is asking for verify your identity, and let's go for the first step, verify now. So here you can see that it is written verify your identity. You will need to verify your identity to receive payments from Google AdSense. You won't be able to edit your name after submitting documents or after your identity is verified. Then I have to complete my details. Please wait a moment so that I could complete it. In fact, I don't know the postal code of Jhelum, so let me check the postal code of Jhelum. Okay, it is 49600. Okay. Upload a photo of your valid government issued photo ID. Okay. It is taking some time. Okay, it is closed. Wait a moment, let me verify. Okay, upload a photo of your valid government issued ID. The name of the ID exactly match the information you have made. Here you can see that driving license or national ID card or passport can be uploaded. One of uh, these documents we have to upload. Required document is missing. Okay, please let me upload. I have saved it in my YouTube folder. This one is front side of my ID card. Okay, submit. Verification in progress. The process may take a few days. We will email you the results. Okay, if we are unable to verify your identity, you will need to submit your documents again. You have a limited number of attempts. Okay, got it. Okay, one issue is resolved, and now you can say another requirement is action required. All YouTube creators and partners submit your tax information to ensure any applicable taxes on your payments are accurate. Okay, manage tax info. In fact, I am seeing first time with you what is going on. Manage tax info. Provide or update your tax information. Your payments profile and country determine how your taxes are collected, withheld and reported. United States tax info. To get payouts from Google, make sure to provide your tax information. This will take a few minutes. Add tax info. Okay, this is my login and password. It's taking a little bit time. Okay, United States tax info. To find the right tax form, please answer a few questions first. The IRS US authority requires that tax info be reported in letters number for scientific character. Use the letter only, such as what type of count is Muhammad Ikram Shahzad? Individual, non-individual entity. This is the individual count. Next, are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. Next, select W8 tax form type. Based on your previously selected answers, a W8 form is needed. This form is most commonly used by non-US individuals and would also be used to claim tax treaty benefits. This form is most commonly used by non-US business entities or individual that earns income related to its US trade or business. Okay, W8BEN is for individuals which are non-US, and second form is for non-US business entities. So I will go for this, for non-US individual. Start W8BEN form. Okay, tax identity. Be sure this information is exactly the same as your tax documents and that the form is signed by an authorized representative of this legal entity. This is my name, DBA, doing business as name or disregarded entity. It is optional. Country, region of citizenship. Okay, it is Pakistan. Okay, it is selected. Taxpayer identification number. A taxpayer identification number (TIN) is a tax processing number required by the IRS for some tax forms. More about TIN. If you are claiming treaty, you are required to provide a foreign TIN. Foreign TIN. It's also optional. US ITIN RSS. It's also optional, so I am leaving it. Next. Okay, permanent residence address. Permanent residence address is a PO box or in care of address. You will be required to submit additional documentation. A PO box, post office box, postal box is a local label box with its own number or the unique address identified physically located at the post office station. Okay, I have to insert the address again, I think. Please wait a moment. Okay, 49600 is the postal code. Mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Okay, please let me check. Okay, next. Tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under a tax treaty? US tax law may impose a 30% without withholding tax on payments that are considered US source income. A resident of the country region claiming treaty with the US. No. Next. Okay, I think this is the information. Name of individual. Document preview. This is how your document will be generated based on your provided information. If you selected multiple income types, more than one form will be generated. Documents are generated in English to comply with the US tax authority. Your tax forms. I confirm that I have reviewed the generated tax documents to the best of my knowledge and believe they are true, correct and competent. Okay, next. Your signature, full legal name. Okay, here I have to put my name as a signature. Are you the person listed in the signature section? Yes. Okay, next. It's a quite lengthy form. Activities and services performed in the US. As an individual or entity identifying tax Any activity and services for Google with US? No. I certify that services provide to Google are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that has not received payments or existing payments profile that have previously received payments? New or existing. Okay. Submit. Okay, I have submitted the form required by the Google AdSense. Okay, here status is also given approved, submitted 10 May, tax form and withholding rates. Additional documents. Certificate of non-US activities. Okay, let me refresh it to see the messages. Certificate of no US activities. I certified that the service is provided to Google. Okay. This is a certificate of no US activities. Okay, I can also submit a new form. Okay, I think I have provided the required information. Your identity verification is in progress. Please allow a few days for verification. Okay, the required information I have submitted. Now I have to wait for a few days. Now the guys, it is the procedure to get the payment after our YouTube channel has been monetized. So thanks for watching the video, and please share it with your friends and like it, and please subscribe my channel.